In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge two Udemy accounts. Merging two Udemy accounts can be a sensible decision if you've ended up with multiple accounts due to different email addresses or even just forgetting passwords over time. Consolidating these accounts will help you organize your courses and ensure you have a seamless learning experience. So let's get started, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. Firstly, you'll want to log into your Udemy account and navigate to your dashboard. If you scroll down to the very bottom of the page, you'll find a link that says Contact Us. Clicking on this will open a pathway to Udemy's support system, which is exactly where you'll need to be to get this process underway. Once you're on the support page, you'll need to look for the section labeled Help and Support. Clicking this will give you access to various support options that Udemy offers. It's important to highlight that going through this official channel is essential, as merging accounts is not something you can do manually. It requires assistance from Udemy's support team to ensure everything is carried out correctly. Next, when prompted about what you need help with, you'll want to choose Account or Profile as your topic. This will narrow down the options and make it easier for you to find the precise help you require. Selecting the right topic ensures that your request is directed to the appropriate department, which can save time and streamline the process. Now, as you delve into the account and profile settings, keep an eye out for the option that mentions Merging Accounts. This is the crucial step that formally begins your request to combine your accounts. Once you've found and clicked on that option, the site will guide you to the next necessary step. After specifying that you wish to merge accounts, you'll need to locate the Contact Support link. Clicking on this will direct you to a form. This form is where you'll provide detailed information about the accounts you wish to merge. Be sure to have all your account details handy, such as the email addresses associated with both accounts. Double-check to ensure all of this information is accurate before you proceed, since any discrepancies can slow down the merging process. Finally, after entering all the required details into the form, you'll hit Submit. Once submitted, this form goes to the Udemy support team, and they'll begin the process of merging your accounts. Keep an eye on your email, as they'll likely reach out to confirm details or provide an update on the status of your request. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to merging your Udemy accounts. With these steps, you will have all your courses consolidated into one cohesive learning experience, making it simpler and more efficient to track your progress and achievements.